some people do unboxing videos for phones or other things. And I don't usually watch those, maybe unless like I'm really trying to get that thing. But this is a new Furnival hair fork that I got, and I was like, I don't know if an unboxing video makes sense for this, but if I were to watch an unboxing video, I would be more likely to watch one about a brand new hair fork from Etsy. So Furnival is a very well-known maker on Etsy. I think it's made by a woman named Claire O'Brien in the UK. And she hand carves these. They're very beautiful, and on Etsy they sell out like as soon as she posts them. So one reason why I check Etsy so often is because I've wanted one of her hair forks for a while, but they sell so quickly, like hours after she posts, so you kind of have to catch it soon. So I was extremely excited to get this. I've been waiting for a few weeks since it's coming from the UK. And yeah, I'm excited to open it. So here's the packaging. It's a custom slip from her. And then on the front it does have these two nice little sequins. It's a nice touch. And now I will open the package. I'm also always curious how people package these, because I've traded a few online before and I get really stressed out shipping them because I'm afraid that they're going to break. So I've learned to like wrap them in duct tape and stuff, but seeing how I've received hair forks on Etsy does help me know how to send them out to myself. So here is opening the package. Looks like she has done it with packaging peanuts. Like this. Which I actually haven't seen before, so that's new. Oh, it's a nice little thank you note. Oh, it has a handwritten note. That's really sweet. Okay. It says, "Greetings, thank you very much for buying from my shop. I hope you like the Blackwood fork. I guarantee all my pieces for life, so if you ever have a problem with it, let me know. Thanks again, Claire." That is quality. I do not think I've actually had a handwritten note like this before from an Etsy shop seller. And also I've never gotten like a guarantee for life. Not that I've bought a ton of these, you know, my bank account doesn't like me to. Okay, so then within we have packaging tape, we have bubble wrap, and then we also have this inside of more plasticky bubble wrap type things. So she has learned to pack these very well so that they will not break. I don't have scissors or I'd be opening these in a nicer way. Okay, so I'm unwrapping this. Then inside it has a pretty flower paper. It looks like a tissue paper that's wrapped in. That's also a nice touch. Man, I'm learning so much from unwrapping this actually about how I would like to ship things in the future. I'll probably save this actually to reuse some slots. And here it is. So this is African Blackwood. It's very, very smooth. And it has a slight curve to it, which I think I've seen on Elmwood forks, but those forks actually slip out of my hair, so I was hoping that this would stay better. I really, really like this because it's minimal, it's sleek, also it's long. I think the active length is like 5 inches and it's 6 total. So yeah, it's very shiny. It's like, I would say moderately heavy. It's not overly heavy, but it is kind of heavy. And that's what it looks like. Very nice. Okay, now I will try making a bun with it. So I think I'll start with my standard bun, which is braided. Okay, I have a braid now. So I'm just going to twist it around. There are a couple different ways of making this, but I do the type where I twist it all first and then I put the hair stick in. Nice. That feels very secure. That does not feel like it's going anywhere, which is great because the only woodfork I have that's a similar shape. Cool. Yay! Now I get to experiment with different designs. I'm very excited to have this fork. Again, this is what it looks like. I highly recommend Furnival. She makes amazing things. It's basically wearing art in your hair. This is like one of the simplest shapes that she does. She also does these like spiral things, which are super cool. I haven't bought one yet because they're a little bit expensive. But yeah. Thank you for watching.